CompTIA Plus Series forms the backbone of our global certification framework. It's all about helping people move from knowledge to real capability, the kind of capability that makes teams more confident, productive, and secure. These certifications are recognized worldwide and are trusted by employers who want to build reliable, job-ready IT teams. The series includes CompTIA A+, the industry standard for technical support and device management. CompTIA Network Plus, which covers connectivity and infrastructure. CompTIA Security Plus, the global benchmark for foundational cybersecurity skills. And additional certifications such as Data Plus, Cloud Plus, Server Plus, Linux Plus, and Project Plus, which strengthen capability in specific disciplines. Each certification builds on the previous one, creating a structured pathway from entry-level to mid-level IT proficiency. For individuals, it provides international credibility and career mobility. For employers, it ensures consistent, measurable skills across teams. For more information, visit CompTIA.org or speak to your CompTIA certified training partner.